Hello everyone, this video is an unboxing video of my iPad 6th generation 2018 cases, which is the Slim Folio and Slim Combo. Alright, the first one we're gonna unbox is the Slim Folio. What's awesome, it has a 4-year battery life, so we don't have to charge it at all, which is great. It's obvious I already opened it, so I just wanted to do a quick comparison between the Slim Folio and the Slim Combo. So this is the case, and it has a Apple Pen holder, magnetic, nice keyboard. It's pretty cool they have shortcuts. Okay, let's put this iPad on to see how it looks. It's pretty easy to put on. And here's my Apple Pen. And here, you ready? Magnetic. And the blue light, which means it's connected to my iPad. And all I have to do is press this button, and it unlocks it. And go here. Pretty cool. Can do this. I liked it. Used it for about a month and a half, and it's been good to me. And the next unboxing is Slim Combo. I just bought this today. I am in love with it because it has the exact stuff I've been wanting to have. It was hard to find, honestly, because this one's quite pricey, and I was trying to look for a cheaper one, but that didn't go well because the quality was bad. So I took the risk and got the Slim Combo. What's awesome about the Slim Combo, it's detachable keyboard, and then the keyboard is backlit and it's adjustable for this part right here. And the battery life is 3 months. That's not bad. At least it's rechargeable. And it also has a pen holder. Pretty cool. Alright, let's open this. Pretty different picture. And very satisfying. I already opened it, obviously. It was the micro USB for the keyboard to be charged. So here's the case. It's already detached. Notice that it's magnetic. Pretty cool. Keyboard is even nicer and smoother. And this one has a pen holder as well. Pretty much the same, similar design as the Slim Folio. Alright, let's put my iPad on this so that we can get the gist of how it looks. Pretty awesome. You can do it. You can have it alone without the keyboard. It's like you can read, watch a video without the keyboard being in the way, or if you need to type an essay or whatever it is, you can just do this. Woo, satisfying. And then this one right here can come out. Pretty cool. Let's not forget to put the pen. Here's a micro USB where you can charge the keyboard and the power button. Alright, ready? Same old. This one is smoother. I like it. And I should put it over. The keyboard, you can lit it up. Pretty cool. It's also magnetic when you put it down. Pretty similar. And there you have it. That is my unboxing of the Slim Combo and the Slim Folio. By the ways, you should get this Paperlike screen protector. It's matte finish, anti-glare, and it's perfect because whenever you write, it feels like you're actually writing on a paper. Most of all. So anyways, I hope you have a good day and thank you for watching this video.